Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make very beautiful patio for my friend and then we will see the result. What I'm going to do over here, I'm going to clean it up and then we're going to put very beautiful tile on it. And over here, this side too. Over here, she's going to put some plants. Alright, now I have to mix the cement, which is a small place that we have to do. I'm going to pour over because we're going to put later on very beautiful tile. Over here, while we're putting the cement, we're going to make a little slope, so the higher a little here, and even with this, when it rains, the water goes out. So we just have to make sure that nicely, evenly, we cover. I have to show you over here that we did, and then later on, we're going to put this tile. And over here too, you see, to make it level so the rain goes out of the door. Alright, today it's the second day that we're here. The cement is dry. Now we're gonna put these tiles, and this is the bond that we're gonna mix it with water. It's gonna be like a paste, and it's gonna bond them to the cement and to the tile. Here's the mortar. I mix it with water. It has to be like just like a paste. You can put behind it, or I'm gonna put just to the ground. So this is what we have to do. So now we start from the corner. You just have to make sure that it doesn't move left and right. Once it's stable, that means it's good. And this one goes between each other just like this. And it's gonna continue. Alright, over here I have to show you that the job is finished. This is the whole work. You see over here we have to fill it with a little bit filling with the grout. Over here you will see it's all the waves we put it, but for now she put the bricks. It does look very, very beautiful design all over. It needs now little cracks there is. We have to fill the grout between them, and that's the job it is. I think it worked very beautiful. So if you go watch my other videos, you see how my laying bricks, but this is a grout. This is a little harder, but I think it worked okay. So I hope you like this job that we've done. This is my first project that I did ceramic tiles, and I hope you watch my other videos. I have many interesting videos, animals, cooking, needle lace, baking, all kind of things. So thank you very much again for watching. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patio.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.